Hey everyone, if you've heard the term order block but aren't sure how to spot them on your chart, this video is for you. Today, we'll show you how to use the order block indicator on Tradingview to help identify key price levels where institutions may be active. Let's get started. An order block is a specific price zone on a chart that shows where institutional traders have placed significant buy or sell orders, often causing sharp price movements. We usually see it as the last opposite colored candle before a strong impulse move, and it can act as a future support or resistance level. Now, we'll walk through a simple way to add an order block indicator. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account. After logging in, go to Products. Under Products, you will see Supercharts. We'll use Supercharts as an example. Click Supercharts. Now, this is your Supercharts. This is where market activities happen and where profits and losses occur. To add an order block indicator, go to the upper part of the page and find Indicators. Click this, and a prompt will appear. In the search bar, type order blocks. We'll use the common order blocks indicator. Double-click this, and yellow and light green lines will appear in your chart. These are your order blocks. Order blocks help us spot institutional zones by detecting the last bearish candle before a strong bullish move, or the last bullish candle before a bearish move. They also highlight chart areas that need to be mitigated by price, helping us see where large orders were placed. We can also identify breaks in market structure and draw supply and demand zones. You can configure the colors and order blocks by right-clicking on the graph. At the bottom, you can also add some alert notes, indicator, and CDC on the blocks. On the bottom part, go to Settings. Here, you can input candle range, bullish, or bearish, weaker sources. You can configure here and also add styles to the bars to make them more comfortable for you. Go to Styles. Here, you can choose more colors, boxes, payment labels, and lines. In Visibility, you can also check seconds, minutes, hours, days, anything you want. Now, let's go back to Inputs. Once you've configured your order blocks, click OK. That's how we add and use an order block indicator on Tradingview. When we combine order blocks with proper market structure and risk management, they can help us find high probability zones. Remember, this is a tool, not a signal by itself, so always use it with structure and confirmation.